Hello, everyone. Welcome to Smart English Podcast. I am Mia.
And I am Alex. It's great to be here with you today, Mia, and with all of you listening.
Yes, it is. Alex, how are you feeling today? I hope you are having a good day so far.
I am very good, Mia. Thank you for asking. I feel happy today. This morning, I listened to some music, and it made me feel very positive. How about you? How are you today?
I'm good too, Alex. Thanks. I also listened to music this morning. It was a nice way to start the day. Music is really a big part of my day every day. It's always with me.
Me too, Mia. Music is always around me. When I'm at home, I listen to music. When I go outside, I listen to music on my phone. Sometimes I even listen to music when I'm working. It helps me focus.
That's true. Music is everywhere. It's in our cars, in shops, at home. What kind of music do you like, Alex? Do you have a favorite type of music?
Oh, that's a good question. I like many kinds of music. I often listen to pop music. It's usually happy and has a good rhythm. I also like slow music. Sometimes I like calm music too. It helps me relax after a long day. It really makes me feel peaceful.
Pop music is very popular. I understand why you like it. It often makes people want to dance. And calm music is perfect for relaxing, right? Do you listen to music alone, or do you sometimes listen with friends?
Most of the time, I listen to music alone. I put on my headphones and just enjoy it. But sometimes, when I'm with friends, we listen to music together. For example, if we are at a party, we listen to happy, fast music. If we are just talking at someone's house, we might play some soft background music. It depends on the moment.
That makes sense. Music can change the mood, right? How does music make you feel in general? You mentioned it makes you happy or relaxed. Can you tell us more about that?
Yes, absolutely. Music makes me feel many things. When I listen to fast pop music, I feel happy and energetic. It makes me want to move and sing. When I listen to very slow and calm music, I feel relaxed. It helps me forget my worries. It's like a warm blanket for my ears. Sometimes, if I hear a very beautiful song, I can even feel a little emotional in a good way. It really connects with my feelings.
That's a lovely way to put it, a warm blanket for my ears. So, do you listen to music mostly at home or when you are out with your phone?
I listen a lot at home. I have speakers in my living room so I can play music loudly sometimes. It fills the whole room. But I also use my phone a lot. When I walk to work, I use my phone. When I'm on the bus, I use my phone. My phone is always with me, so music is always with me too. It's very convenient.
That's very true. Phones make it so easy to have music everywhere. Now, let's talk about specific music. Alex, what is one song you really like right now, and why do you like it?
Oh, one song I really like right now. Let me think. There's a song by a singer called Sunny Day. It's a pop song. I like it because it has a very happy tune. The words are simple, and they talk about good feelings and enjoying the day. It always makes me smile when I hear it. It's perfect for a morning walk.
Sunny Day. That sounds nice. I should listen to it. So, when do you usually listen to this song, Sunny Day?
I usually listen to Sunny Day in the morning, like I said, when I'm walking to work or just after I wake up. It really helps me start the day in a good mood. It brings positive energy, you know? Sometimes I also listen to it in the afternoon if I need a little energy boost. It really makes me feel light and cheerful.
I see. It helps you feel cheerful and brings positive energy. That's a great reason to like a song.
What about you, Mia? What kind of music do you like, and when do you usually listen to it?
That's a good question for me. I like many kinds of music too. I often listen to relaxing music, like instrumental music, which means music without singing. I also like some classic rock music from the past. I usually listen to relaxing music in the evening when I'm at home and I want to calm down. It helps me sleep better. When I'm cleaning the house, I play rock music. It gives me energy.
Interesting. So relaxing music for the evening and rock music for cleaning. That's a great combination. Does music make you feel different things too, Mia, depending on the type?
Absolutely, Alex. Relaxing music makes me feel calm and peaceful. It helps me to clear my mind after a busy day. Rock music, on the other hand, makes me feel strong and lively. It's good for when I need to be active and energetic, like when I'm doing chores. Music really has a big effect on my mood, just like you said.
It truly does. It's amazing how a simple song can change how we feel so quickly. It's like magic, isn't it? Music is such a universal language, too. People all over the world listen to music, and even if they don't understand the words, they can feel the emotions.
That's a very good point, Alex. Music connects people. It's a wonderful thing. We've talked a lot about music today. Before we finish, let's learn a couple of new words related to music that might be helpful for our listeners.
Great idea, Mia. What words do you have for us?
Okay, the first word is melody. A melody is the main tune of a song. It's the part you often sing along to. For example, the song has a beautiful melody that is easy to remember.
Oh, melody. Yes, that's a very good word. So, the tune. I like that. What's the next word?
The second word is lyrics. Lyrics are the words of a song, so what the singer sings. For example, I like the lyrics of this song. They tell a nice story.
Lyrics. Melody and lyrics. These are very useful words when talking about music. Thank you, Mia.
You're welcome, Alex. And thank you everyone for listening to Smart English Podcast today. We hope you enjoyed our talk about music and learned some new words.
Yes, thank you for joining us. If you liked this episode, please subscribe to Smart English Podcast and like this video. Your support helps us a lot.
That's right. We love to hear from you. We hope to see you again very soon for our next episode. Goodbye for now.
Goodbye, everyone. Have a wonderful day and keep listening to your favorite music.